Who's going to be this year's move up? Who's going to be the champ?
No, I think some guys to look forward. You know, Joe Lamandry, Max Van. They were, you know, really quick at a lot of races last year. Now they're kind of the person to beat.
And their teammates too. Both of them on the SportbikeTrackGear.com Kawasaki. So
Joe Lamandry and Max Van, they definitely showed a lot of speed at different tracks last year, and hopefully this year they put it all together for the whole season.
We need to zoom in on those bikes and see how many different colors we see. I mean, it's like a Crayola box blew up on that thing.
This race is underway, and Max Van with a wheel in the air still gets away pretty cleanly.
Max Van now goes to the front over Wyman, and we got Lamandry Jr., who we've seen obviously running there in fourth with Gus Rodeo. Yakov is there at 31.
But how about the 48 of Max Van? Can he close the gap on Wyman? It's going to be difficult. Oh, and it's just really not close enough in 7 to catch that draft. But Van onto the back straightaway. Then teammates battling, and it's going to be Max Van who holds on to second place over Lamandry Jr.
Second place today goes to Max Van. Max, a lot of drafting, a lot of passes being exchanged out there. What was working so well for you that you were able to keep the rest of the field behind you at the end?
Well, first of all, I just want to thank everybody that's bought something from SportbikeTrackGear.com throughout the past 16 years. That's why I'm out here doing what I love. But I mean, the race went great. I ended up making a couple of mistakes at the last 3 laps that caused Cody to get a gap. But I mean, it was a good race, and I'm ready for tomorrow.
Being teammates with Max Van helped. We were working the draft all race, and on the last laps, I made a couple mistakes like he did, and I couldn't get where I finished, but I'll take a 3rd place for now. So once again, huge thank you. Thank you to everyone coming out, and I'm excited for tomorrow.
But all the while, Max Van, after a huge confidence boost yesterday, is the SportbikeTrackGear.com racer, and he is doing a great job out front right now as he's pushing the air. Hannah?
Greg, I spoke with Max Van, and he was very happy about a second place finish yesterday, but he said he feels like faster pace than he showed. His bike feels really good today, and he said he thinks he just needs to be the most aggressive in the pack in order to pull off this victory.
So let's take a look at the results as we know them. The race win is going to go to Max Van. So Max Van is credited with his win. Aiden Tao, because he was in that group of 8 but ran off, he was 8 seconds back. Since the other 4 riders got relegated 2 positions from a penalty, he goes to 3rd and Yakov to, or 2nd, and Yakov goes 3rd. So let's get down to Hannah with our winner, Max Van.
There was certainly a lot of trading passes, a lot of drafting, a lot of different strategies. Once the podium for you today, Max. Take me through those last couple laps of that race.
Well, first of all, I just want to say everybody who's bought something from SportbikeTrackGear.com throughout the past 16 years. That's why I'm up here the top step. But I mean, it was a great battle. I had a solid plan, and I got passed into the yellow flag. And I'm really sorry, Kayla. You rode a great race, and I can't wait to race with you at VIR.
Congratulations, our STG Junior Cup winner, Max Van.